today we're going to be working on Up the Ladder, session 4. We're going to be focusing on central and main idea. So we're going to teach you today that one way readers look for the main idea of a text is to examine the start of a section and then the accompanying text features. So far in the unit, we've been reading with fascination, noticing details, asking questions, predicting what our book will teach us, and recognizing where there's confusion so you can clear it up. All right. So in this next part of the unit, we will have a chance to go deeper into the big work of nonfiction reading, starting with something that's crucial for all nonfiction readers, finding the big idea in nonfiction texts. These big ideas have different names, such as main idea, central idea, the gist. Sometimes they're even called an argument. All of those names basically mean the same thing. These are the ideas that an author most wants to teach us. Oftentimes, the main ideas are hidden. So over the next few days, we'll be able to identify ways to help figure out the main idea. So today, we're going to teach you that there are specific places in a text that can help nonfiction readers figure out the main idea or the central idea. These places include the start of a section and any text features that go with that part. So we're going to look at this next section, pages 14 and 15, or some pages out of Mummies. All right, we're going to see what the text feature might tell us, and then we're going to look at the lines at the beginning, and then we're going to put it all together and come up with the main idea. So we're going to look at man-made mummies. For thousands of years, people have made mummies. Many cultures believe that a person's spirit lives on after death. They thought spirits might need things in the next life. That's why mummies were sometimes buried with weapons, jewelry, food, or even mummies as favorite pets. Different cultures have their own way of making mummies. Some dried the bodies with sand or smoke. Others used chemicals to preserve the bodies. So when we want to come up with the main idea, first we want to look at the headings. Now in this case, the heading is man-made mummies. So I need to think. Remember, we talked about earlier that they mentioned there were two types of mummies, man-made and those that are made through nature. Okay, so we're also going to read the first sentence or two. For thousands of years, people have made mummies. Okay, man-made mummies, mummies. And then we're also going to look at another text feature here, which is going to be the photo or illustration. All right. In this, we don't see a caption, but we definitely see a picture of what appears to be a mummy inside a sarcophagus that's painted. So what's the main idea? What does the author want us to know about mummies? The author wants us to know, we're going to put it all together now. The author wants us to know that for many years, people have made mummies. So humans have made the mummies. So your job will be now to read the pages, these two pages on your own, and you're going to be reading about this and coming up with the main or central idea of those two pages.